Hello YouTube friends, Leisha here with the journal share. This one is made from a kit, but that's just Penny, and she has made some changes, and she no longer has an Etsy store, but she has, I believe, Facebook and a few other ways. But if you're wanting this kit or any of her kits, leave a comment below and I will get you in contact with her. This is a Harley Davidson kit. And I've had it for a long time, and I wanted to use it. And actually, I purchased this one. This was even before I was designing. That's how long I've had it. So this one, I did a pamphlet stitch binding as normal, put some coffee dyed fabric on, hitch post fastener. This one is for me, and it's to store pictures of family. My dad was a bike mechanic growing up, specifically a Harley mechanic. And I wanted to put some family pictures in it. And so there is room for journaling, like always, but there isn't coffee dyeing and things like that in here, except for 2 pages. And then everything else, you know, it's good for pictures. And I do actually have things done on black. My dad likes black. And I have white gel pens, so I can, you know, just write on those. So far all the ephemera, like this kind of thing, is from the kit. None of these are my personal photos. A die cut, a sticker. My dad likes coffee. I like coffee. All my siblings like coffee. A few predictions. I put this in. I have some images of my dad and my brother playing pool that I want to add. And so the predictions thing kind of made me think of their pool game. This is some paper I picked up from the thrift store. And the thing that's kind of interesting is my siblings and my dad both hate pictures. And so my pictures are going to be kind of limited, but, you know, I'll make do with what I have. Very plain, very nice kit. It's just a pocket with a die cut that I embossed. Oops, and a tag. These are not from this kit, but they are from That's Just Penny. This is just some tickets that I did, and then a piece of paper, and it's not attached, so you can write under here, you know, write on here or add a photo. Just gives extra space. Oh, and the tickets were, I did spill some water on it, but to represent like some of the car shows and the bike shows. My dad has judged at different bike shows previous years for whatever they've asked. He doesn't enjoy it, so I don't know that he'll do it anymore, but I know he has done it in the past. These are just some ephemera pieces I had in my stash. Apparently I'm all thumbs today. Okay. I like this page. This is an idea I saw. I believe it was the KS Craft, or oh dear. It was a store on AliExpress showing one of their dies, and anyways, in a mini album that they had, it had this like just where you fan out the tags, and I just thought it would look cool. So there's no writing on the back. Nothing on the back. I mean, it'd be hard to write on the back unless I took the brad out, but it's just for decoration. This is a vintage envelope full of goodies that I can use in the journal. This is a tag that once again I can use either a white gel pen or add a journaling spot. This picture right here is printed on gloss paper and then sprayed with a sealant, so it's different than the rest of them. I printed it out, and for some reason, just this picture, the ink wanted to run, like on the whole paper, so yeah, don't ask me why. But it did, so I didn't want it running all over my book. So there's quite a bit of ephemera in the kit, and then of course, you know, I have my own stuff. No shortage there. And I actually missed a page, which really irritated me. I had it ready and I had it actually embellished, and then when I went to sew the signature, I didn't put it back in the front, which is why my journal starts with coffee dyed paper. I never do that. But anyways, another sticker. It's my journal. Doesn't matter. Another sticker collage. These are from AliExpress. They're just vellum stickers and I absolutely love them. I love stickers in general and I love coffee, so, you know. Piece of ephemera that I glued down. As you can see, there's water marking. I don't know what... I think it was water. It's either water or coffee I spilt on it. It's me. This is just journaling spot with some tickets that I had. Orange is a color of Harley's. Not Harley's, of... in the Harley Davidson logo, it's orange and black. So that's why I used orange tickets. And this is just extra journaling spot and then a place, you know, on the paper for pictures. And I like these pages, right? Because I won't add pictures. I might journal a little bit on here. It's light enough, but I'm not going to cover it. It just adds to the journal without me having to add anything to it. Oh, look, I sewed it right into the signature. Alrighty then. An embellishment I made. This one has journaling on the back. Well, that was a winner thing to do. There we go. Well, I can fix that, or I can just leave it. Doesn't matter. That's the first, and I even thought about it when I was sewing if all the pictures were out of the way, because I knew I had some larger ones, but I thought, they will be. Yeah, I should have checked that. Oops. Okay. Stickers, which are kind of random. They were on my desk, but not totally. We grew up in a family where fishing was a big thing. Going camping was a big thing, so they represent, you know, my growing up years. We spent many weekends out fishing in the boat and things like that. This is an envelope that I covered with not straw paper. Rice paper, I believe it is. Anyways. And then another sticker. I don't have straw paper. I don't even know why that... yes, I do have straw paper. But I don't know why that came to mind. I don't use it very often. This is just backed again. It's kind of cool. And then this is just a pocket I made, and I stuffed some more ephemera pieces in it. And they're all printed on nice heavy not cardstock, printing paper, so they're not all backed. Because like I said, they are printed on a nice quality paper. This is from her kit, and then of course the back, and the back cover is, this is scrapbooking paper, but this is her kit, as you probably figured. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Any questions or comments, leave them below. And if you have not seen my video where I talk about the journals I do sell, this one is not for sale, but you know, if you'll go back on my channel, there's lots of journals that I have made that are still for sale. I also do custom orders, and it's going to be to help with some of the expenses of my brother's puppy. The surgery, I think total was close to $7 grand that she needed. It was a disaster. She's on the mend, you know, but bills are expensive. So, like I said, if you're interested in any of the journals previously, leave a comment on those and I will get back to you as well. Anyways, talk to you all soon. Thanks for watching.